The old Minelab Explorer II. I've done a couple of upgrades. I've made my own armrest because it didn't come with one, and then I've just fitted this 13-inch Detech ultimate coil, and then see how it goes. I've got it on all metal modes, up and screen, and then a nice field to go on, see what we can come up with. I'll get back to you on my first signal. My first signal of the day with this coil. Got a bit tricky trying to pinpoint it because I'm not used to it. Dug an hole here. I don't know if I've hit it with spade because it says ow on it. I'll get back to you on the next one. I've just had a nice signal here. That coil's absolutely spot on. It's made this Explorer 2 a lot better, more stable now. I've just had this artery here. It's quite deep as well. It's only a tiny little button. So like 1930s probably, something like that. But, happy with that. Up to here and just pull this up, a bit shiny like. Put a piece of aluminium or something like that. A bit shiny anyway. Good enough for me. Just walked a bit further. All I keep getting is just bits like that, aluminium or something. So I'm gonna move further in because when you near edges you get a lot of trash, I reckon. So go a bit further in, see what happens. This coil's absolutely spot on. I had Nell Hunter on before, but this one it's got more stability with old machine because these are slower, not very stable compared to E-Tracks and the Safaris and stuff like that. So see how it goes anyway. Well, overall it's been spot on. Targets and recovery speed. Right. No more such luck since that button. Set an hole here. Piece of bronze, but it's quite heavy. Is that a screw or something in there? Not sure. Kind of decoration maybe. Oh well, on to the next signal. I've just had this out. That looks quite interesting. Wonder what that could have been. It's got some rate patina as well. Got some like a line going up it there. It's just started chucking it down as well. Just hoping this old Minelab holds up till I get up to them trees up there. Right. It just further up from where I had that looked like a strap end to me, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not good at IDing, just when we're starting out. I've just had this. Might actually be other bit to that what I've pulled out further down there, but looks to me like a part of an old spoon, like pewter spoon or something. It's not bad, is it? Rain's calmed down now, so it's a grey cloud here. And September, you get a bit of mix and mash weather. Don't know, never knows what to do in England. So machine's doing well. I think this is third time I've been out with this one. So I'm getting used to it now. It's a bit of a learning curve from Garrett Ace 350 or Euro Ace. I'll let you know if I get what else. The farmer's just ploughing or something there. Instead of look see what I'm doing, I've just had a signal here. I don't know what that is. like some kind of pipe. I'll let you know later if I find out what it is. Right. It's got some tea in it, so it could be quite old, that. Stop for a bit because it's absolutely peeing down there. Just hope my Minelab's not going to break. Dug it all here. It's first coin at day. It's a 1922 halfpenny. See if I can get it in shot for you. There you go. 1922. Brill with that one. It rain's stopped for now. It's getting a bit brighter over there. Just had a signal here. Brass or bronze piece of handle or something. Not quite sure. If anybody knows what that could be, just let me know. Right, we've called it today. It keeps chucking it down with wet through down to the bone. So we called it a day. I'll do a roundup when I get in the house, show you what I've got. Right, anyway, it's my roundup for today. I've got looks like it's some kind of pipe junction, probably a cable clip, piece of shrapnel, some kind of, might be a lighter, flint, rusty piece of crap, some more iron, piece of bronze, could be quite old, pewter part of a spoon, and a 1922 halfpenny from, and then I didn't even need metal detector to find that. That was just lying on surface. It says shotgun cap, and then that's it. From myself and from Tom. Happy hunting. Please like and subscribe.